Okay, I'll show you how this works. As you can see, we've got it on. I'll just put it on the pole, and I'll just show you how we clean the windows with the new swivel on. As you can see, we're scrubbing sideways. You can see there's plenty of water there as well. I'm extra scrubbing these just to show how easy it is to use these. Just using on the side, scrubbing, giving it, all of them a good rinse as well. But this is just to give an idea of how easy it is to use. This is a little bit higher glass. But as you can see, I'm off to one side, and it's easier to do it this way. And of course, you can use this white pad that we got, but also you can use your brushes on it as well and clean the glass the same way as what we're doing here. Just clean the frames. As you can see, the main bit, when you're scrubbing that way, you can see it's actually flushing the dirt as it cleans. But I'll give it a rinse anyway. As I said, I'm going to give them all a good rinse as well. So now we're at a standing height. You can see you can do the same thing. You don't need up and down motion. Very easy to clean. Just rinse it. Side. Give the frames a bit of a scrub. You can see how easy it is. You can see there's plenty of water there too. Who needs a rinse bar? Got plenty of water here. And finally this one. Bit of a cobweb just in the corner there. Get a scrub. Do the frames a bit. Okay, just give it a bit of a rinse. You can see all the water, there's plenty of water there. It's only on about 40 psi as well, so frames a bit. Give it a scrub again. And a rinse. And well, I suppose, well, that's about it.